In this scenario, we will demo how to use Z ChatOps on Mattermost to manage IBM Z System Automation resources with some examples. Firstly, we can run a command to show the status of the system. As you can see, the first 10 results found for the system are listed. You can see the most important information of the system, such as NetView domain, worst resource state, automation domain, etc. You can also click the links to see more information about the system. You can set a system as the default system. Show details of a system, for example, SYSG. The details of the system are returned. You can click the link to view more information in Automation Domain System page. Let's see resources of the system. You can see the first 10 results found for the resources of the system with the most important information of the resources. Let's see more details of the resource test APG/SYSG. The details of the resource are returned. You can see this resource is starting, and there is a warning. Let's stop the resource. You can add some options to the request, for example, some comments. In this scenario, we will skip this step. To protect your credential in the collaboration environment, you need to log in to stop the resource. You can save your account and password for later use. Let's see the status of the request. You can see the details of the request. Let's see the status of the resource. You can see the resource is being stopped. For more information about how to use Z ChatOps to manage IBM Z System Automation resources, see our official documentation. Thanks for watching.